Take a moment to consider how much single-use trash you will have used by the end of your lifetime. This question has burdened us, and therefore, we've decided to write about our endeavors through a paper called Promotion of Proper Waste Sorting and Single-Use Waste Reduction in a Bay Area School through Collaborative Campaigns and Educational Media. Hello, everyone. I'm Floyd.
I'm Emily.
I'm Talia.
And I'm Phoebe.
We wanted to implement a project tackling waste reduction because trash pollution has a severe negative impact on Earth and its wildlife. Single-use trash is such a human dependence that over 2.12 billion tons of waste are dumped by humans annually. This waste ends up in landfills, garbage dumps, or the oceans. Marine life, for instance, is endangered because they can ingest the microplastics or become entangled in plastic bags. In fact, blue whales ingest over 10 million microplastics daily, which is equivalent to 95 pounds. Also, as trash enters marine and terrestrial ecosystems, it kills animals in a food web. This impacts food chains because that increases interspecific competition.
The United States exports its trash to developing countries such as Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand, and the Philippines. This becomes a social justice issue because the United States, an affluent country, does not have to deal with the consequences of the large amounts of trash they produce, while plastics negatively impact the low-lying coastal communities that receive the waste. These countries have fewer resources to clean up their communities, meaning that plastics are more likely to enter the food chain. This harms both animals and humans because of the toxins that are absorbed when ingesting plastic. Additionally, as sea levels rise due to climate change, developing coastal countries lose their land. Another consequence of plastic is that it is produced from fossil fuels, such as natural gas and petroleum, that are flacked with a fluid that can contaminate groundwater, destroy habitats, and kill wildlife. Another issue of trash usage is that waste is often improperly sorted, which means that compost and recycling systems cannot operate efficiently because they receive the wrong materials.
Regarding general sustainability, Palo Alto has a Sustainability and Climate Action Plan, or SCAP, with an overall goal of lowering fossil fuel emissions to 80% below 1990 levels by 2030. They also have a general zero waste goal to divert 95% of waste from landfills by 2030. The Palo Alto Unified School District has also jumped on board with the zero waste goal. However, the city and school districts have focused too much on setting overarching goals rather than the small steps needed to reach them. With that said, Fletcher Middle School has been a trailblazer regarding sustainability and waste reduction. For example, the cafeteria features reusable trays, cups, utensils, and ramekins. We hope to implement some of their methods as well as our own into our cafeteria.
In our time at Gunn High School, we've noticed an overwhelming amount of trash on campus. Students are leaving trash on the ground, and the trash that does make it into bins isn't properly sorted. Most of the food given out is excessively packaged. We hope to tackle this issue through an educational campaign that includes short-form videos that we will share on social media and posters we will place around campus to encourage students to dispose of their trash properly. We're also planning to work with school administration to implement more sustainable practices in the new cafeteria that's currently under construction. We hope to help plan the layout for the new eating area, including the location of trash cans. We hope to eventually implement reusable trays and utensils. We plan to send out surveys to staff and take photos around campus before and after we implement our project to track our progress. Join us in waste reduction efforts because if we don't take initiative now, who will?